This video demonstrates the proper application of Terralite QuartzStone ashlar jointing process. Ensure all dust, dirt, and foreign matter are brushed and scraped away. Set out joints with a chalk line. Apply a bead of structural adhesive on the chalk line and use to fix PVC beading cross connectors. Apply the ashlar jointing profile connecting to cross connectors. Cover the jointing profile with masking tape. Apply a coat of Terramix to fill out the surface between the jointing profiles. Using the jointing profiles as a guide, screed off excess material. Remove masking tape carefully from the beading profile. Before Terramix has cured, sand down the surface to remove any high points. Apply a full coat of Terraco P primer pigmented in the specified color. Mix Terralite QuartzStone to a smooth consistency using a spoon. Apply a spray coat of Terralite QuartzStone at a pressure of 0.1 to 0.15 MPa. Lightly sand to achieve a smooth top surface. Polish joints using a jointing tool. This is optional. Apply 2 coats of Terracoat top coat clear after Terralite QuartzStone is dry. You have now created the perfect finish with Terralite QuartzStone ashlar jointing process from Terraco.